friends, welcome to Pal with Annu. Today I am going to show you my project, British Cultural Ideas Activity. The topic is Universal Delicacies. This is my project. In this scrapbook, I have included 10 healthy, delicious and tasty Indian super healthy food recipe. This is the first page. It includes grade, topic and name. This is our school logo. The back side is our country flag. Now let us move to the second page. It includes our country map and flag. Now the healthy recipe starts. The first recipe is fried brown rice. This is the fried brown rice. Here I have written ingredients, description and nutritional benefits. And the next recipe is apple crumble. And the next here it is paneer cutlet. Now let us move to the next page. This is a healthy mango parfait and this is a healthy sabudana soup. And the sixth one is millet upma and the seventh one is coconut barfi. Now let us move to the eighth one. The eighth one is a healthy ragi soup and the ninth one is the healthy sweet adal. Now, let us move to the next page. Wow, what is written here? It is eat healthy to be healthy. Now, the last one, but not the least one, is palak khichdi. Here, the description is bit lengthy, so I made like this. Let us move to the one more beautiful page. That is me was doing the project. And finally, thank you. And I'm serving you one of the healthy and tasty recipe. Taste it and let me know in the comment section. After a long time, I'm going to school today and I'm submitting this scrapbook today.
Anvitha, it's getting late. Come soon.
Okay, I'll come. Bye-bye.